Why do they have to use the word lose, the mega caps? Why can't the mega caps just sort of hum along? They don't have to lead. No one's talking about like them declining a lot.
Yeah, sure.
If they decline a lot, obviously the S&P is not going to do well.
That's the distinction. Well, but that's the distinction. That's what we're talking about. When I say we lose the semis, when we lose the mega caps, NVIDIA comes out on Wednesday, delivers a great earnings report. The response to that, it's down 5 to 10%. That's going to be a problem for the market. I acknowledge you are correct. If the semis, if mega caps, if they just kind of run in place, okay, then fine. We could see financials. We could see real estate. We could see materials pick up the lead in the marketplace. Under those conditions, we're fine. But I'm just concerned about some form of riotous behavior in the semiconductors and technology, and I don't think the market's immune to that type of behavior.
It's like anything else. You got to pick your spots. So broadly, I know we disagree on this. I don't see energy participating. I think real estate's going to still be a little challenge. They're both, both groups have underperformed this month. I do think onshoring is continuing to be a huge theme, and we haven't even seen really the disbursement of funds. I mean, we're still lagging disbursement from Obama when he came in for his infrastructure plan. So I do think that's a big tailwind, and that's one of the reasons I bought CAT. I want to participate in case I'm wrong on tech. Still my biggest,
It's a new position for you.
Yes, it's a new position. I've traded it off and on. It's not a very big position, but it is a decent-sized position, and they'll benefit from onshoring, and they'll also benefit from a broadening of the market. So that's why I'm in CAT. It's not particularly expensive, although the average, multiple over the last few decades, it is a little higher, but that's okay. I have room to buy more if I'm wrong. So I think you have to be very selective to say where it broadens. I do agree with Scott and everything he said about financials, and I'll continue to be there because with rates coming down, you will see an easing in the capital markets. You will see a steepening in the yield curve. So,
but I will say within financials, don't do a broad brush on it.
Stay away from
regionals, right? I mean,
stay away from.
Oh my God, I'm saying the same thing as you. That's scary.
Yeah. Well, but you'll be right.
There are actually some regionals that are working, and I think we have to be careful with the financial conversation. You mentioned J.P. Morgan, you mentioned Progressive, Aflac, names like that. Okay, these are idiosyncratic stories. Yeah. Remember what happened in March of 2023
all around new
for
highs. Progressive,
right.
Aflac, Cincinnati Financial, Regions Financial, 52-week or record high.
And that's idiosyncratic. Where are insurance premiums? Anyone out there pay a homeowner's insurance bill or an auto insurance
It's amazing what is going on.
So the effect of that is very positive. Private equity doing well also. Let's not forget March of 2023, how J.P. Morgan benefited from the environment, the stress and contagion, the regional banking, and seeing the deposit inflow. So I don't think you could say, well, macro conditions are good, macro conditions are bad, and therefore I want to own financials. No, I think you have to go bottoms up and find companies within the financial sector that can work, like a Goldman Sachs.
No, I totally agree. I mean, I like J.P. Morgan, Morgan Stanley in that area. I like Blackstone in there. So you do have opportunities there that you want to own, but you just have to be careful. You don't want to get into some of the banks that in the regionals, that have loans outstanding, especially to office and some of the residentials. That you have to be careful. So the analysis has to be bottoms up.
All right.